we are in the midst of the earnings season, the December quarter earnings season. In fact, we are drawing curtains to it this week, and Coal India comes out with its results today. Gaurang, I'll come to you in just a bit. Amit, what is the street expecting?
Very, very muted growth in revenues. In fact, net profits are practically expected to remain exactly the same. A growth of only 0.3% is expected in net profits. About a growth of about 1.4% is expected in revenues. EBITDA's margins also expected to go down. Now, when I look at Coal India, in the last 5 days and even today, the stock has gone down almost 5%. But for a stock that has given returns of over 100% in the last 1 year, is it a correction time or is there something else happening?
And Gaurang, to add to that, we saw quite a bit of profit taking in the PSU stocks generally on Friday. The index overall, the BSE PSU index overall was down about 2 to 3% on Friday. What's your overall take on the PSU stocks and Coal India?
Well, so nothing goes up in terms of infinity, whatever, whether it is private or public. There has to be a full stop, Suresh, Amit, when it comes to run up. Not to forget, nobody was complaining when these stocks were going up for the last maybe about week or fortnight, correct me if I'm wrong. And profit booking has to be seen as a healthy opportunity. You cannot expect any stock associated with any sector, whether public or private, to go up indefinitely. I think there is valuation, there is sanity level that has to come in. And I was surprised to see the kind of reaction on the social media, Suyash, after the Honorable Prime Minister just made a passing reference in terms of comparison of his government 10-year working with respect to profitability of PSU companies and the earlier government 10-year working with. He was just making a reference with a company called LIC, and I think the social media was on fire. For the love of God, he is the Prime Minister of the country. He is not the Prime Minister of the stock market, nor is he a fund manager. His business is not to give recommendations. I don't know why people are, misinterpreting these kind of statements. I think one has to just be a little bit sanity. But having said that, I think Coal India, just to answer your question, we have a coverage. This stock has also run up. It took a pretty long period of time of hibernation for Coal India to do the kind of performance that it has done. I think at current valuation, you should see a little bit of breather profit booking. Numbers are going to be out today. I would not want to make any kind of forward-looking statements. But I think any company, any sector, whether public or private, you are going to see a pause after a run-up in terms of profit booking.